What are today's Water Expo?
Hi, I am Hemant Mutha, representing Jain Irrigation Systems Ltd, headquartered out of Jalgaon in Maharashtra, India. Over the last 5 decades, we've been one of the largest piping manufacturers in India, one of the leading drip irrigation and micro irrigation solution providers in the world. Company which has been dedicated in the water management space, right? And making piping systems starting as small as 1 mil, 1 mm, going up to 2500 mm dia, one of the largest in the world. In fact, one of the projects that we are currently ongoing and doing is the supply of this 2500 mm pipe for seawater desalination project near Nemeli, near Chennai at Nemeli. So such and many such projects across the globe in terms of water management, piping, drip irrigation systems, filtration systems, solar pumping systems and piping, of course. This is the second time actually we are participating at the Chennai Water Expo. Keeping in mind our past experience, what we've noticed is the customer category or the visitors category that is coming here, comprises of design engineers, the water department people, few traders as well, people within the water management space, right from the designers to the key decision makers, have visited our stall. So it's been a great experience. I'm pretty sure that in future also we would like to participate at the Water Expo in Chennai and showcase our range of piping systems, irrigation products which cater to the water management as a sector. Thank you.